Let's talk about the competition. This short video is all about how we identify our competitive advantages, the weaknesses of the competition, and understand our differentiators. We also want to understand our competitors' champions. So let's take a deeper look. So when you think who is the competition and what is their strategy to beat us, you first want to remember that competition can be internal or external. So internal competitors are other initiatives that could be competing for the same funding. This can include doing it internally or doing nothing. And these are often the most common competitors that we face in deals. Now, external competitors are other companies. So you'll want to do a SWOT analysis to determine your competitive strategy and create trap setting questions that influence the client's decision criteria in your favor. So a SWOT analysis is basically looking at what are our strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats to closing this deal. We want to know where we're strong with our differentiators and where we're weak relative to the competition as perceived by the customer, because perception is reality. We also want to anticipate their strategy, understand who their champions are and where their champions are in that org chart. So when we think about competitive strategy, including political, technical, and commercial components, political is who your competitors are aligned with in the organization. So again, going back to who is their champion, what is their role? Technical is how your solution addresses the technical pains better than the competition. So really important for understanding differentiation there. And commercial is the customer value of your solution to the business. So all of our differentiators are backed up by a measurable customer value that can impact cost, risk, or revenue. So some questions to ask yourself when dealing with the competition: who are your internal and external competitors? Have you discussed this with your client? Who are your competitors' champions, and what's their role and level of influence, as well as their relative power and influence on the account? Also, what is your plan to counter the competition's sales strategy? So all of these are things that we want to take into account when going up against the competition. Thanks. I hope you enjoyed this video.